girls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ariana, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this one single product that is going to help to brighten up your face and elevate your skin. And mind you, if you are someone that have a very dry skin, come because you found the best thing that could ever happen to your face. If you are still suffering from dryness and you can't get this particular face cream that everybody seems to be using, but yet you cannot afford it because it is very expensive, this is the replacement. Yes, this is the replacement. This is something you can use to replace that. And this aloe vera gel is by Disa. There are a lot of aloe vera gel out there. This is the one I have used. And I've always been using this aloe vera gel. The purpose why I bought this aloe vera gel initially was never to use on my face, because I did not know that aloe vera gel is good for the face. I actually bought it so that I can use it to probably shave my skin. But guess what? I decided to try it on my face one time, and the moisture that came with it was something else. So if you know you are still suffering from dry skin, you can actually start using the aloe vera gel. What it simply does to the skin, the first thing is that it will help to moisturize your skin. If you are someone that easily suffers from dryness of the skin, probably you're using face cream or anything on your skin to moisturize it, and yet it is not moisturizing it as much as you want, first go and get this Disa aloe vera gel. It's going to help you a lot with your dry skin. And another thing is irritated skin. What I mean is, if you know you're that person that has a very sensitive skin, especially on your face, anything you apply on your face, you start experiencing this burning, this stinging. Any face cream at all you buy in the market is always burning on your skin, and you don't get a good result. You even wake up to your face looking worse. Go and get this. This is going to work perfectly well for you because this is a soothing gel. When you apply it on your face, it's as if you poured water on your face. That's just the feeling you are going to get when you apply this aloe vera gel. It's going to seem as if you poured water on your face. It's going to help to soothe all that on your skin and help again with your skin barrier. If you know that you are that person that are using a lot of skincare products, a lot of face cream, now you don't even understand your face anymore. So it seems as if your skin barrier is broken, because now you are prone to anything. You are prone to pimples, acne, dark spots, eczema. Every little thing that affects the skin on your face, go and get this gel. Go and get this gel. If you know that your skin barrier, especially on your face, is broken and every little thing affects the skin on your face, go and use this to heal your skin before you even think of buying any other face cream or any other moisturizer to apply to your face. Go and start using this Disa aloe vera gel first on your skin to help to repair your skin barrier, to cool down your face from all those reactions that happen as a result of broken barrier on your skin. Then another beautiful thing about this gel, like this is just one thing with many wonders. Another thing is inflammation on your face. What I mean is that if you know that your face is always looking red, and this mostly happens if you are using like all this lightening face cream or you are using organic skincare products, you will just see that your face will be looking very red, especially those time of the day when you know you've left the house since morning and during the daytime you are stressed. Your entire face will just be looking so red. Go and buy this aloe vera gel. It's going to help you to cool down that redness on your face. And please, especially for that inflammation, for people who have redness on the face, you cannot just only use this, because yours is a very different case. So anytime you use this, you know that you are using your sunscreen alongside with it, because you can use this both morning and evening to get good results. Honestly, when you use it on your face, you're going to notice how soft and supple your face is, and it will just cool down that redness that you are seeing on your face. So even when you go out during the day with your sunscreen alongside with this aloe vera gel, you are going to notice that your face does not get red as it used to be before. There's going to be a very big difference on your face. And another thing that this aloe vera gel also works for is sunburn. If you know that you have sunburn on your face and you have been trying a lot of face cream to clear that sunburn on your face and nothing have worked out for you, go and get this aloe vera gel. And let me tell you guys the secret. When you get this aloe vera gel, go and get like a tretinoin cream to add to it. But you're not going to be using that tretinoin cream every single day. You are going to be using it like 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week. And you are not going to be using it during the day, because tretinoin is a very active product. It comes in a tube like this. So it has different percentage. So you're going to start first with the 0.05. When you start getting results with it and your skin gets used to this tretinoin, then you can start increasing it to the 0.2, 0.1, because the 0.1 is higher than the 0.5. Ensure that you start with the 0.05 to get a good result. So only this one will not clear the sunburn, but when you add it to this tretinoin, using the tretinoin like 2 times in a week, but still using this every single day, morning and night, you are going to see the result faster. And don't always forget your sunscreen. You cannot be battling with anything redness or sunburn or sun damage on your skin and you are not using sunscreen. Ordinarily, sunscreen is something you should always use in your skincare routine. If you say you are doing skincare routine and you are not using sunscreen, you are wasting your time. In fact, those products can even backfire. So ensure that you are always using your sunscreen with these 2 products to clear your sunburn. And you have to be very patient with it because tretinoin is very active. When you use it every single day, you can get the result faster, but it can purge your skin. You don't know how your skin can be so sensitive to tretinoin. So you need to start with 2 times in a week gradually, because when you achieve any results gradually, it lasts for life. But when you achieve it too fast, it can end up purging you. So when you use it this way, you are going to clear that your sunburn from your skin. Then another thing about this aloe vera gel is that despite I said it is very good for dry skin, it is actually good for all skin types. So whether you have a dry skin, a normal skin, a sensitive skin, a combination skin, any type of skin type you have, this aloe vera gel is good for it, which simply means that anybody can use this aloe vera gel every single day as their daily moisturizer. And guess what? Little of this aloe vera gel goes a long way. So you can use it for as long as you like, and it is very affordable. With this, you don't have to stress too much about your face cream. And that brings us to people who are tired of face cream. If you know that you have tried like 5 face cream this year and none of them is working for you, it is high time you take a break, because taking a break from skincare products actually helps a lot in achieving a good skin. When you continue to use different products, when you know something is not working for you, nothing is working for you, it ends up purging your skin. But when you take a break and go for things like this, it's going to help you a lot. So if you know you have tried a lot of face creams since the beginning of this year and none of them have done anything to your skin, go and get this aloe vera gel. It won't hurt much because it is affordable, and you are going to get the result that you want with consistency of this product. You are going to notice that your face is going back to basic. Most of the times I talk about basic skincare, like when you know that you have bleached your face, and now you can't even recognize your skin. And I always say go back to basic. Go back to that normal skincare routine you were doing when you were younger. And using a natural skincare product, this is one of them. This is one of the most natural products you can use on your face as a face cream when you know that your face is damaged. Then another thing I'm going to quickly throw is that this face cream will not lighten you, and this face cream will not whiten your skin. I know that sometimes all some people just need is something to lighten, to whiten their skin, to take their skin from looking dark to looking fairer or whiter. This is not it. Don't go and buy this in expectation that this will whiten your skin or this will lighten your skin. This is not a lightening product. It is not even a whitening product. What this product is going to do is that I've already said most of the things that this aloe vera gel will do to your skin. But the major thing you can expect from using it is to have a very bright natural skin. A very bright natural skin. Nothing is going to change in your complexion. You're not going to get 2 shades or even 1 shade lighter than your original complexion when you're using this aloe vera gel. One thing it's going to do to your complexion is going to leave your complexion in its natural state that it has met it, and then start repairing your skin. Then for people who have a very lighter skin, and probably you are scared that, oh, this aloe vera gel might darken my skin. No, this aloe vera gel will not darken your skin. I do use it and it doesn't darken my skin. It doesn't make my skin darker. It doesn't make my skin fairer. It just leaves my skin the way it is while doing those things that I said it does to the skin. Then another thing that this aloe vera gel will do to your skin is helping you with your acne. Honestly, if you know you have acne on your face, whether you are using other treatment products, which I expect you to use, still add this aloe vera gel to your skincare routine for your acne, because this aloe vera gel is going to help to prevent further acne on your skin and also prevent further irritation on your skin. You know, sometimes when you have this acne and the acne gets bigger, and when it gets bigger, the surrounding of that acne becomes very red, like you're not having like an inflammation around that acne. Use this aloe vera gel. This is what will prevent those things from happening, like your acne getting bigger, not having red surrounding. This is what will also help you to prevent things like that on your skin. So when you are using this aloe vera gel alongside with whatever it is you are using to treat that your acne, you are going to notice a very good healing process and clearing out process with your acne. You're not going to be feeling so insecure with your acne when they look so red and buggy. This is going to help to calm down all that on your skin. So this is a very good soothing and moisturizing gel. So if you are also someone that hates a heavyweight moisturizer on your skin, you don't want those type of moisturizer that when you apply to your skin just feels heavy, or the moisturizer is just all over your face, this is something you should get. You can, let me just pour a little of it. You can see it is so lightweight that, see, it looks as if I just applied water on my palm. It just seems like water, but still has an oil to glow up your skin inside of it. So this is a very nice skincare product I will always recommend anybody should have in their skincare routine. Whether this is not what you are using every single day, but just have it in your skincare routine because you will need it. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified first anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.